Alright, this is leaving from a stoplight. It's going up to about 2,000 RPM. It's not pushing it too hard. And that's with just the muffler deleted. That's without deleting the Cadillac converter. This is cruising right now at about 1,200 RPM. Yeah, it's about 1,200 RPM. Just cruising speed, maintaining speed, or whatever you want to call it. I'll step on it a little. I got to go up a hill in a minute here. This is at about 2,000 again, just kind of speeding up. And that's with just the passenger window open now. Almost coming up to the bottom of that hill. Hopefully we'll get a red and you guys can hear it right from my dead stop going up a hill. Try and bring it to about 3,000 RPM for you guys. And like I said, this is with only the muffler deleted. I wanted to give you guys a video so you could hear what it sounds like without the muffler, but before I get the Cadillac converter out. Not 100% sure if it's a Cadillac converter or a resonator on this, but regardless, this is here we go on the hill. That was out to $4,000. That's sitting at 3 right there. And this is just climbing the hill at 2,000, just maintaining speed. And I'll show you, this is 2,000 windows up. That's maintaining up a hill at 2,000. And sitting at 1,000 right now, we're just coming up on a corner. So, let you guys hear it with the windows closed coming out of a corner. That was up to about 2,200. Alright, well that's it for this one. I just wanted to give you guys a little sample of what it sounds like with the muffler deleted. So I'll make a new update when I cut the cat or the resonator off. That's it for now, guys.